Hi guys, it's Jana. It rained last night, so my maintenance normally, whenever it rains, I make sure that the water that is sitting on top of the leaves on my flowers, on my rosettes, will be dry before the sun hits it. So it's early morning right now, and I am about to get rid of this water. So the best tool I use is this air inflator. So I don't know if I can show you better. There you go. This Rayubi air inflator. And what I do, I have extra batteries in this because I have so much plants in my yard. So what I do is have a spare battery for this, and this is the nozzle I could use to for getting to the points. So in order for my plants to not get sunburned, this is what I do, because the water really hurts the leaves. Water with so much sun hitting on it, so you might hear it loud, but I am gonna mute it. So this is what it sounds like. See, look at the flowers. I had a video on this a long time ago, when I just started doing YouTube succulents, but I'm gonna show you again in case you haven't seen it. So this is what I do to this waters. See the water there? It dries it easily, and I also make sure that the bottom here, see, I left it up, make sure there's no water sitting underneath. Make sure there's, take up the dead leaves and put some more rocks underneath there. So I'm gonna show you with I'm not gonna show you everything because it will be a very long video, but this is what I always do with these flowers or rosettes. See a little thing inside here. Get that off. Alright guys, well, that's what I normally would do whenever there's so much water on them. That way it wouldn't get sunburned. And also I could use this pointy thing, part of the inflator, to this insides of the rosette. Guys, this is just a short video to show you what I do to help my plants not get sunburned from rain or too much water and the sun hitting on it. Alright, I have so much more to dry and fix some of these rocks everywhere flying mixing with other colored rocks. Alright guys, I hope this helps, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.